Today we're doing a postpartum dumbbell core workout to take your core healing to the next level. This is designed for after the initial phase of healing, so if you are just newly cleared for exercise or if you have diastasis recti, you can do this workout without the dumbbells at all. I will be using light dumbbells, 2 pounds and 5 pounds, and just for one exercise, a 10-pound dumbbell, but you could also grab filled up water bottles. You will want to watch your core, or you could even take a video with your phone and ensure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline during any of the moves. How you breathe is also going to protect your core and enhance your healing. We want to breathe 360 degrees around into our ribs, especially our side and back ribs. And then on an exhale, you can zipper up and then pull your ribs down and in, contracting everything tight on the exhale. Also, if you want to take your core healing to the next level and really focusing on flattening and rebuilding your core, this is a great video to do as a 14-day challenge. I'll link to a blank 14-day calendar that you can tick off in the description box below. Let's start with some side reaches. Before we grab our dumbbell, we can step behind, expanding through your side body. Exhale. Engage to come up. One more on each side. Good, we can clasp our elbows or our hands behind us. Let's keep our ribs pulled in and down, opening up, expanding through your chest. Good, release, let's round out. Tuck your chin. Release, clasping behind, one more time. Good, rounding out. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one 5-pound dumbbell. You could also go lighter. We can find our balance on your left foot, and we're gonna take your dumbbell in your right hand or without a dumbbell at all. Exhale, really engage through your obliques. Elbow to knee, we're gonna go nice and slow. Reach on the inhale. You can switch to the other side. Last one. We can switch your dumbbell to your right hand now. We're gonna lean over and then engage your obliques to come up. Inhale down, engaging to come up. Switching to the other side. You can really feel your engagement as you come up with your hand. You can also add a lift in your pelvic floor as you engage and come up. So we're gonna hold it in both hands, and on an exhale, we can go all the way around your head, or you can make a smaller movement in front of your chest, whatever feels safe to you. Switching sides. Ribs stay stacked. You can go ahead and grab a second dumbbell now. So you can either keep your toe on the ground, and then we will deadlift forward, or you can bring that back leg off. As you come up, focusing on your core, let's take a big breath in. Exhale. Keeping your hips nice and level. Amazing, let's set up on the other side. Again, feel free to keep your toe down here and just don't round through your lower back. Focusing on your core engagement. Amazing, let's take a quick sip of water. You can take a short stretch. We can get onto all fours. You can have a light dumbbell and a medium dumbbell close by. So we can either lift with opposite arm and leg straight up, or for advanced, you can fan them out to the side. Exhale, really engage your core. Option to fan out. We can set up on the other side. Big breath. Exhale, lift. Amazing, so we can have both of these weights nearby. Let's lower down safely on our side. We're gonna take our lower arm and place it in front of us. You can grab your lighter dumbbell, and we're going to exhale, really engage, crunching up. I'm going to grab my slightly heavier dumbbell now, but feel free to stay with a lighter weight. And we're going to dip down, really engaging your core. We can flip over to the other side. I'm also going to grab my 10-pound dumbbell. Stacking your hips. Exhale, lift, slight hold at the top. Last one. Amazing. Let's set up in our side plank again. Getting ready to dip our hip down, lifting our hip high on your exhale. Good, we can place this weight down. I'm actually gonna keep both of my light weights nearby and my heavier dumbbell. Getting down safely onto our back. We can take our heavier dumbbell. Getting ready for bridge. Exhale, engage the core. Also, you can lift the pelvic floor. Inhale, down, exhale, squeeze and lift. So starting with your pelvic floor contraction, exhale, squeeze your abs, coming up. Inhale, release at the bottom. We can grab our lighter dumbbells, or you may not need weights for this one at all. You can also just do toe taps if you have diastasis recti, but opposite arm and leg. Extend out, switching sides. Lower back should not be popping off the mat at all. Amazing. Release out. Let's stretch our arms and our toes, keeping your ribs pulled in and down. A couple of big breaths. Good, let's bring our knees in, and then on an exhale, we can bring them up one at a time. Let's take our knees wide apart, releasing fully through your pelvic floor. You can rock back and forth. So if you have diastasis recti, you can bring your knees together, stretch out through your lower back. If it's safe for you, you can move into a reclining twist, letting your knees fall to one side and back arm goes out. Keeping your core engaged for the twist. Exhale, coming back up through center. Letting your knees fall out to the other side. Steady breaths. Good, coming back up. And we can come back up to a seated position. You did an amazing job. I'd love to know how it felt to add the dumbbells to a core workout. And if you're doing the 14-day challenge, let me know how that goes as well.